These days, it's rare to see things done the right way. We've become so accustomed to quicker, faster, easier. Click of a button, and things are at your doorstep. We often say, they don't build them like they used to. Everything's about how fast it can be done, not how well. But what happened to the standard? To not cutting corners, to showing up early and putting in the extra effort. People used to cut, grind, weld, and machine things here in the United States. Since 1974, a manufacturing plant in Lincoln, Nebraska has quietly carried that standard forward to this day. More than 3,000 people clock in here every day, fabricating, stamping, and assembling machines that help get the work done and keep America moving forward. Hey, I'm Steve Austin. I'm here in Lincoln, Nebraska at the Kawasaki manufacturing plant, getting a guided tour of 2.4 million square feet, a production facility of all the Kawasaki four-wheel products. I've been with Kawasaki for 10 years, but now seeing what goes into the building of all these products and how proud these people are to work here, it just makes me feel even better. As soon as I walked in the door, my mind didn't prepare me for what I was about to see. Wow.
Kawasaki has been here in Lincoln for over 50 years now. We opened up in the fall of 1974 and have been going strong ever since. A few things that set us apart are, number one, we build the coolest products in the world. Between our POWERSPORTS group with side-by-sides and ATVs, our rail car division, and our aerospace group, we just build really cool stuff. Where we're gonna start is raw material production, 20-foot sticks of steel. You can see round tubing, you see rectangular, various gauges, you name it. We do raw materials to finished product here. They'll take that bundle of steel, they'll load it in the rack on the back of the machine, and that auto feeds then into the machine. And you can see it's cutting that material like nothing.
I've never been on an assembly line before. Just from nuts, bolts, seeing just cold steel pulled off racks and turned into machinery.
We cut that tubing, we bend the tubing, we weld it into a frame, we paint it, take it to assembly. Every product here touches multiple different departments across our building and has the hands of employees from all these different areas involved. That gives a good sense of pride to our workforce as they can see the finished product rolling off the assembly line.
I'm used to driving finished products, and to see just the scope and all of the work and the pride that goes into all the products here was just totally unbelievable to me. We were talking about efficiency a while ago, but there is a number you want to hit.
Yeah.
Okay.
So plan for 85 for the day, and they're at 11 so far.
So 85 ridges will be built today?
Yeah.
From start to finish?
From start to finish, every day.
God dang, dude, that's impressive.
Yeah.
My favorite side-by-side right now is my 4-seat Ridge Crew. Watching that thing just from a chassis, from metal that was pulled from a rack and welded by humans and robots and rolled down an assembly line and being put together piece by piece. That was one of the highlights of it. I really am a fan of the Brute Force 750 as well. That's one of my vehicles that I've used in many of my adventures. To get a chance to see a Brute Force 750 kind of stripped down and how it's really made was fun as well. I wonder how things work. So when you see piece by piece how these things get put together like a puzzle, in effect, it helps me understand the product more. They're using hydraulics to replicate the terrain that these vehicles will be on, and you could put like 5 years of wear on a vehicle in literally 1 week, just to see how tough, how durable these products are and what they're really meant to do, work. When you see a finished product, there's 3,000 proud employees that were a part of that process to turn out something that you're about to enjoy. It was built with pride so that you can own it with pride. My father taught me what real work looked like. If you're gonna do a job, do it right the first time so you don't have to come back and do it again. I see that being done right here in Lincoln, Nebraska. But after seeing what really goes into a product and how it's built, by who it's built, I couldn't be any more proud. This isn't about one product. It's about people who show up every day and do their jobs the right way. From Lincoln, Nebraska, USA, with pride.